Once you've chosen your book trim size, and in this example we're going to use this small fiction format at 5.06 by 7.81 inches, open a blank Word document, go to the page layout tab and select the size, click on more paper sizes and enter. Make sure you're using inches because book sizes are all measured in inches. So the width is 5.06 and the height is 7.81, and that gives you the basic paper size that we're working with. Now what you can do is also approach your printer or print on demand publisher for a basic template. Now in this example we're using CreateSpace, so you would go to the CreateSpace home page, type in template, and from the search results look for the book interior guidelines. This tells you what the minimum inside and outside margins are. Well, I'm going to cover margins in the next lecture, so don't worry about that too much. But what you can do is just scroll down, find the trim size that you're looking for, and you can download a blank Word template or a template with sample formatted content. For the purposes of this course I would suggest that you download the blank Word template because we're going to work through setting everything up that you need anyway.